This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Aripur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find any company location. There are 4 parts of an address. They are street address, city, state or country, zip or postal code. The first part you see, the first part is street address. The part that is watching is city, then state, and this is the zip code. When you work with US location, you can see the 4 parts of a address. See you again in the next lecture.